Good morning, children. Today we will do map work. This is our annual course, and here we will do map work of India. This is a blank map of India which is provided to you to get the photocopies of this to complete your map work. On this map we will mark physical features, means mountains and deserts. So for mountains we will use brown color, and for desert we will use orange color. Karakoram range to the north of river Indus. Himalayas from river Indus northwest of India to northeast of India. These are discontinuous due to the presence of rivers. Then Vindhyas between Narmada river and Chambal Betwa. Satpuras between Narmada river and Tapi river. Aravalis between Thar desert and river Chambal. Great Indian Desert, also known as Thar desert. Kanchenjunga is a peak, so triangle. Western Ghats, easy to mark. We will just join the source of the river till the last point, that is up to Kanyakumari. Then Eastern Ghats on the eastern side of India. Now children, on this map we will mark plains and plateaus of India. So for plains we will use green color, and for plateaus we will use yellow color. As the name, Ganga Brahmaputra plain, the plains which are formed by river Ganga and its tributaries. So this is Ganga plain, and this one is Brahmaputra plain formed by river Brahmaputra. Then western coastal plains on the western side of India, between Western Ghats on the eastern side and Arabian Sea on the western side. Eastern coastal plain on the eastern side of southern India, between Eastern Ghats on the western side and Bay of Bengal on the eastern side. Sundarban Delta, the largest delta of the world, formed by river Ganga and Brahmaputra. Here, then Malabar coast, the western coastal plain in Kerala, known as Malabar coast. Coromandel coast, the southern part of eastern coastal plain, that is south of river Krishna, you can say, is Coromandel coast. Chota Nagpur plateau, it's easy to mark on the source of these two rivers, Chota Nagpur plateau, then Deccan plateau forming a triangular shape south of river Tapti. Water bodies, we will use blue color to indicate water bodies on the map. Gulf of Kutch, Gulf is a water body surrounded by land from three sides. So this is Gulf of Kutch. Gulf of Khambat, Lakshadweep Sea between India and Lakshadweep Island. Bay of Bengal, this water body. You will not mark below Kanyakumari. This is Bay of Bengal, and this one is Lake Chilika. Then rivers, as they are also water body, so we will use blue color, and we will mark river from the source till the mouth of the river. Okay, so I'm doing one for you, that is river Ganga. You will mark from here. Rivers are already marked on the map. You just have to highlight the river which is asked. This is Ganga, then this one is Brahmaputra, known as Sangpo in Tibet. Fine. So now I'm telling you, already rivers are marked for you. Just pay attention. This one is river Indus, right, which falls in Arabian Sea. Then Satluj, this one which joins river Indus, river Beas, which joins river Satluj. Ravi is also a tributary of river Jhelum here. Then Chenab, a tributary of river Jhelum, and Jhelum is a tributary of river Satluj, and Satluj joins to river Indus. Then Yamuna, the most important tributary of river Ganga, which joins Ganga at Prayagraj, which was known as Allahabad earlier. Then Godavari originates from Western Ghats and falls in Bay of Bengal. Krishna, similarly Western Ghats and falls in Bay of Bengal. Kaveri, which also falls in Bay of Bengal. Narmada and Tapti, these are two rivers which flows towards the western side. So this is Narmada river, falls in Arabian Sea. Tapti river falls in Arabian Sea. Then Lakshadweep, these are islands, Lakshadweep and Andaman Nicobar Islands. Sri Lanka is also an island. So we will use any color to indicate these islands. Sri Lanka we have marked because it's a neighboring country of India. So this group of island is Lakshadweep Island, which is part of India. Then Andaman Nicobar Island, the upper part is Andaman and lower part is Nicobar Islands. This is Sri Lanka. Then this is 23.5 degree latitude, known as Tropic of Cancer, which divides India into two equal parts. This longitude, which is 82.5 degree east longitude, also known as IST of India, and from this longitude only India takes its time. I hope map is clear to you all. Thank you children. Practice well.